So here we are going to learn about regrouping and bundling. This shows the place value chart. The place value chart has hundreds, tens column and also ones column. In ones column, if you see, there are 30 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones in the first bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10 ones in the second bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10 ones in the third bundle. So what we have done here is we have bundled 10 units. That means 10 ones. And we have taken the 10 ones bundle to the next column and it becomes 110. So what did we learn? We learned that we can bundle 10 units from the ones place and can be moved to the tens place. So when we bundle 10 units, it becomes 1 unit in the tens place. So next I'm bundling the next 10 units and I'm taking to the tens place over here. After that, I'm bundling the next 10 units from the ones column to the tens column and it becomes 1 unit, which is 110. So we know that 30 ones can be bundled and 30 ones, each 10 units of ones can be bundled and can be moved to the tens column. So 30 ones will become 3 tens. So this is about bundling and regrouping of the units. Usually we bundle 10 units. You can see the pink oval over here. This is how we bundle 10 units and move to the next column. So now I'm going to show about how 300 is equal to 3000. So here you can see a place value chart that you see here with ones, tens, hundreds and thousands is the place value chart. And in this chart, in the hundreds column, so this is the hundreds column. In the hundreds column, you can see there are 10 green hundreds and then 10 black hundreds and then 10 blue hundreds. So what I have done here is I can bundle. So this is bundling. I can bundle the 10 green hundreds and I can move it to the next column, which is a thousands column, and I can mark it as 1,000 unit. So 10 units from the hundreds column, I bundled it and I moved it to the 1,000 unit, which is 1 unit. So 10 hundreds will become 1,000. Now let me do the black 10 hundreds that I have written here. So this is the 10 black hundreds. I'm bundling those 10 black hundreds and I'm moving it to the thousands column from the hundreds column and marking it as 1,000. I can also bundle 10 of the blue hundreds and I can move them to the thousands column and I can mark it as 1 unit, which is 1,000. So what we learned is we can bundle 10 units of hundreds to the thousands column, which will become 1000. 10 units of hundreds, and again we move it to the thousands column, again it becomes 1000, and 10 units of another hundreds. From the hundreds column we can move to thousands column, so we have 1000 again, so we have 3 1000s in the thousands column. And that is how we get 30 hundreds, which is equal to 3000s. So 30 hundreds, all the 30 hundreds are right here in the hundreds column, 30 number of hundreds, and 30 number of hundreds will become 3000, can be moved to thousands column and it will become 3000, and that is why 30 hundreds is equal to 3000. Now let us multiply by 10. So when we multiply 1 by 10, we get 10. The number 10, when we multiply with 10, so that is 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1000. 1000 times 10 is 10,000. 2000 times 10 is 20,000. 3000 times 10 is 30,000. Now let us multiply by standard algorithm and find out whether 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, so 10 times 10. So let us multiply these two numbers first. So 0 times 0 is 0. Then let us multiply these two numbers next. So 0 times 1 is 0, and now let us multiply these two numbers. 1 times 0 is 0, and then 1 times 1, when multiplied we get 1. So now let us add all the numbers. 0, 0 plus, we have to add this, 0 plus 0, we get 0, and then the 1. So we get the answer 100. So if you see that 100 we got from 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Now let us multiply 100 times 10 and find out whether we are getting 1000. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 0 is 0. And then we are doing this number 1 and 0. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. What you found is 1000 times 10 is 10,000. So here is the answer. 1000 times 10 equals 10,000. So what I did now is I have checked all these equations using standard algorithm of multiplication. Standard algorithm. Okay, now you can see the place value chart that shows 3000 plus 1400 equals what? Okay, we are going to find the answer for 3000 plus 1400. So this 3000 we have marked here, 1000, 2000, 3000, and for 1400 can also be called as 1400s. So I have drawn 1400s in the hundreds spots. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400s. After drawing 1400s in the hundreds column, I have bundled only the 1000s to the next column, which is the thousands column. So when I bundle 1000s to the thousands column, it becomes 1000. 10 units, when bundled and taken to the next column, it becomes 1 unit. So here 10 units of hundreds, when bundled to the next column, it becomes 1 unit of 1000. So now after bundling to the next column, which is a thousands column, let us find the answer for this. For that, we have to add the number of thousands in the thousands column, which is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So that is why I have written the number 4 in the thousands column.